channel.
Today we are going to be checking out the new wiring update. And yeah, I haven't posted a yeeps video in a while.
So yeah.
And
let's get
right into it. So first thing that I want into the read base pipe, which is base is base. That there's new block everywhere. Like this sign. And monitors and 3 small pulse buttons reacting. And mouse. Have a whole new tech web. I'm not going to go through every single one this week. But there are these pulse glasses that it sends, it activates a redstone. In this case, it drops out a red key. And that's one of the 3 ways that you can get a red key. Red keys open this door. These don't. Then, over here, I will show you how to get purple key. Not yet. As you can see, the retractable spikes. No, retractable spikes right here. Activate. Go up into. Here. Yeah, and there's also new barrels, new barrel blocks. And there's also a block right here. This is how you the white key. Opens that great door right there. Alright, now I'm gonna get purple key. Basically, what you want to do is you just want to press on that next. Then you want to run to activate the timer. And yeah. And purple key should be right here. Okay. To get the red key again. Whoa! Good. Right. Now we can go here. Third here. Here. Steps. Here. We can get this popcorn stash. Where open it? Go. 3 more things. That is, you can get red key. Like the one right here. 5 more. That's how you can get red key. Then, if you have a partner with you, press all 4 buttons. Yeah. All 4 of those buttons and then red key. Then working
I'm gonna show you. So
this
makes all
both of us. Press.
there we go.
Real?
So
So yeah, you can just like
go
go through all these. Now these are all the wireless transmitters.
So
So
you
so you paint
this
this same color as the outputs.
So
So
so that you don't
that you don't have to use wires.
see. Yeah,
Yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Bye!